Alright, so I'm here now in Bonbon, Romblon. I want you to see this place. Look at. Okay. You see that? You see that long sandbar? So I am going to walk all the way to the other island. So right now it's low tide. That's why you can walk all the way to the other side. So now, look at this. Beautiful. Sige na, maligo na kayo doon. Pupunta pa ako doon. Doon na kayo maligo. Doon banda. Dermix. There's the long sandbar. Look. White sand. All the way here. Look at sandbar. Bantayan mo si Sky, ha? Ace. Samahan si Sky. Look at the sandbar. Mamaya. Oh, turak ta. Look. You walk all the way. Look at the clear water. Right now, the sandbar is connected to the other island. You see that water?
Oh, may na dun sa Sky.
Yeah, hawakan mo si Sky. Look at it. Look at the clear water. Here. Have to see the clear water. Okay. Oh, swim na lang kayo dito, okay? Guys, you swim over here. I'll just go there to take a video, all right? You swim here. Bantayan mo, Alex, ha? Sandra, you go back there. You stay with them over there, okay? Just going to take a video all the way to the other island. That's the Bonbon Island over there. So right now, they are connected because it's low tide. But when it's high tide, the water stay on this area only, right here. And this one, no. So I'm just going there and to show you how far is this place. Okay. The clear water, left and right. There's nothing over there. But that area much better to do the snorkeling. It's for fishing because there's a stone over there, the rocks, and you can catch fish over there. So when it's high tide, you can't walk in here. Right now you can. See? So I really miss this place when I was young. I always come here. So if you could see the white sun on the other side, that is my place. Yeah. So just trying to catch fish right now. May nahuli na kayo? Meron na? Patingin ang huli nyo. Malalaki din? Pugita?
Malilit nga lang din to kasi gawa po ng
Okay naman.
medyo hindi pa po siya gaano. Pag itong buhangin po ay napunta na doon sa una-unahan niya banda.
Okay na, pwede na.
Okay na po.
Ayun, may nakawala isa oh.
Ano na po niya?
Wala kayong net, yung hinahagis. Mas maganda yun. Yung binabalik mo lang nandiyan, pag hagis mo, malawak siya. Ha? Sasabit to. Kasi maraming coral. Oo nga. Okay. Ayan, look at this. Look at how beautiful is this place. This is the Bonbon. See that sandbar? Yeah. See? I'm still walking. So now I'm walking to the other island. Oh my gosh, I want this island. I hope someday I can get that island. Pag nanalo sa loto. Yeah. So I can put a house in the top of it. Look at that. Look at how clear the water. Other side. Fresh water. Wow, look how clear. It's beautiful. God's creation. Oh my gosh, that's too far. Still walking. So now 8 minutes. I've been walking for 8 minutes. I still did not reach the end of the sandbar. So this is the Bonbon. There's also a lot of visitors right now here. Look at that, still fresh. Up close. So 9 minutes. We're walking all the way to right here. approach here now. Oh, that hurt. It hurt. Tayom. So I'm almost in Bonbon. So now 10 minutes. I've been walking for 10 minutes all the way here. So through the other island. So this is a separate island, especially when high tide. So right here. Okay, almost there. Okay, so this is the end of the sandbar. Gonna go all the way. So I'm about like 10 minutes and 54 seconds. So all the way here is 11 minutes. There we go. That's 11 minutes. All right. So this is the mountain, and then the rock formation over there on the other side, and see the sandbar is all the way right there. So all right, so that's it. This is Bonbon. They do the Miss Universe here last year, and now as you can see, a lot of people, only local knows this place, but you know, mostly a lot of people swimming in this area at this time, because you know, the sandbar, if it's high tide, you can't go in here. The water is only from right there, and the current here is very strong also, so that's why. All right, so thank you for watching to my YouTube. So this is the Bonbon Island here in Romblon. All right, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.